Assalamualaikum guys. Today my mom made one more bread egg toast, but it's a little bit different compared to the before one. Yeah, it looks more like, you know, royal
and beautiful.
Yeah, I guess it has many different vegetables, and this one's recipe will also be given in the video link. Don't forget to check it out. Now let's try this. Which one? Okay. There we go.
First bite I have chili.
So try it now.
Very good.
It's super, guys. Believe me, it's so
Yummy.
awesome. I would say that this one's better than the last one. I would say that.
But cooked both.
Yeah, but both are great. With every bite.
My bite is going to finish.
Which one? Last one or this one?
This one.
Me too. This is cheese. Extremely tasty. There is cheese, a lot of chili, bread, and egg. Yeah. I taste egg and this cheese. Oh, love this cheese. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't have that much cheese. You all need to try it first.
You really need to try this. Don't worry. My mom will give you the recipe. The recipe link will be given below in the description box.
That chili was very spicy.
I'm done. I'm so full. So now we are done with our breakfast, guys. And we really want to rest now. So we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.
Masalama.